Good evening, Tanika.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. When will your school starts?
Jan first week, sir, around 4.
Okay. Many holidays. 1 week?
Yes. I think it's 3 weeks or 2 weeks.
Okay, okay. The chapter quadratic equations is there for you in board as well as in SAT also.
Yes.
And also in graphs. Graphs also have the concept of QE, quadratic equations.
Yes.
When did you have quadratic equations in our board, in our curriculum?
It's algebra 1.
Algebra. In 8th class or 9th class or 10th only?
9, sir.
9th. Okay, okay, okay. What do you know about quadratic equations or expressions? Something.
So I just know how to use the quadratic equations.
Yeah. What's the use of quadratic equations?
To find the value of x.
Yes, to find the values. Whenever factorization is not possible, quadratic
Yes.
equation is used generally.
Yes.
Even if factorization is possible, quadratic equations also used.
Yes.
Let's have a brief discussion about this. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Yes.
Is it the same there also?
Yes.
Here a, b, c are called coefficients. A, B, C are called coefficients. A is a coefficient, B is a coefficient, C is a coefficient. A, B, C are called coefficients. And to call ABC is a quadratic equation, the main condition is A should not be 0. A cannot be 0. Only then it is called quadratic equation. What happens if A is equal to 0?
The
If
equation will be
equal
0,
to
sir.
0, the first term,
Undefined.
disappears. If A is equal to 0, the first term, that is x square term, disappears. Yeah, put A is equal to 0. 0 into x square is 0.
Yes, sir.
That's why the first term disappears. That's
Yes,
why
sir.
to maintain its definition, A cannot be 0, the main condition. It may be a point to remember.
Yes, sir.
The condition for ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation is that A cannot be 0. A should not be 0, right? Now, let us use A plus B whole square formula to solve this equation. Most of us know the formula x is equal, do you remember it? Minus b plus or minus the square root of
B square minus
minus 4ac by 2a. But very few know how it came or how it comes. H is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is a formula to find the value of x in quadratic equations. But it is very important to know how it comes, how this formula derives. Now, let's know how this formula comes. First, transform, in your language, in that concept, add minus 6 on both sides. Let us use that concept as I told previously. We are subtracting or we are adding minus c on both sides. Let us see what happens. Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, minus c is equal to 0 minus c. Getting me? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What happens now? You told me this previously. How the algebraic equations are solved in US.
Yes, sir.
Now what happens?
The zeros get cancelled.
Yeah, plus c minus c cancels, right?
Yes.
Now multiply by 4a on both sides. We are multiplying by 4a on both sides. 4a times ax square
X square
plus bx is equal to
4 times
minus c. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is 4a times ax square? That is 4a square x square, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, 4abx
X.
is equal to minus 4ac. Clear?
Yes.
Right. Now, I want to write 4 as 2 square. Agree?
Yes, sir.
4 is 2 square. A square, x square. That is 2ax whole square. Agree?
Yes.
4a square x square is nothing but 2ax whole square. Now, this 4abx can be written as, can be expressed as 2 times of 2ax. This is 2ax. Right?
Yes.
Now, what is to be multiplied with 2ax to make it 4abx? Actually, there is 4abx. Actually, it is the 4abx. But what is to be added to make it to 4abx?
B, sir.
Yeah, b. It should be multiplied by b only, right? For abx is written or is expressed as 2 into 2ax into b. Now it is equal to 4abx, right?
Yes.
See, that is minus 4ac. You know, a plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus b, 2ab plus b square. When we remember that formula, this is a square. A square means what here? 2ax. 2ab. See, matching. A square, 2a. A square plus 2ab. What is b here? B is b only.
Yes.
A square. A means what here? What is a here?
2x.
Very good. What is b here? B only.
B.
But is it completed? A plus b whole square formula is completed, is not, or not completed?
Not complete.
What should we add to make it complete, to make it a plus b whole square formula?
B square.
Yes, b square is to be added. But as per the rules of equation, if whatever you add, it should be added on both sides.
Yes, sir.
So we are adding plus b square on both sides. Agree?
Yes.
Now, what is left hand side? It is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. You know, a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square.
Yes, sir.
Then what is this left hand side? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square. Use a plus b whole square.
2x plus
Very
b
good. Very good. That's right. 2ax plus b whole
whole
square.
square.
Right hand side is b square minus 4ac. Now taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. 2ax plus b is equal plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac. It is enough to write plus or minus in any one side. We need not write both sides plus or minus. Whenever root comes, we should write plus or minus. Okay, why we should write plus or minus? Do you know the reason? Why we should write plus or minus whenever we find root, square root? See, what's the value of minus 4 whole square?
16, sir.
Plus 16, right?
Yes,
What's the value of plus 4 whole square?
plus 16, sir.
Plus 16. Same. So, what's the value of the square root of 16? It can be plus 6, plus 4 or
Plus-
minus 4.
Yes, sir.
That's why the square root of 16 is equal to plus or minus 4. That's why we write generally plus or minus whenever we find root. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then why didn't we write plus or minus in left hand side? It is enough to write plus or minus in any side. We need not write both sides. Okay. Now what happens? The square root of 2x plus b whole square, root and square cancels. We left with
2ax plus b
is equal
equals plus or minus
the square root of
b square minus 4ac.
b square minus 4ac. Very good. Now bring that plus b to right hand side. 2x is equal to, I try to teach in our language. That means in the style of US, not bringing plus b to right hand side. It is adding minus b on both sides. Am I right?
Yes.
Actually, it is 2x plus b. We are adding minus b on both sides. Is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac. Actually, it is the original style. There is no concept of bringing something to the something to right hand side. That's not the mathematical terms or mathematical words. See what happens now. Plus b minus b get cancels.
Cancelled.
2x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac. So
Yes.
the last equation is 2ax is equal to minus b plus or
Root
minus
b
the square root of b square minus 4ac.
Yes.
We are
X.
just one step away for the result.
Yes, sir. X equals negative b
Yeah.
plus
How
or
it
minus
comes? Dividing both sides by 2a.
2a. Yes.
Dividing both sides by 2a, we left with the x in left hand side. See. Can you write the last step? Last step on the screen.
Yes. So it's x equals minus
Writing
b.
directly. You are writing directly.
Yes.
Bringing
You want
the
me
to right hand side. Use that
Okay.
concept. Use the original concept. Yeah. 2x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of
x equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, and divide both sides by 2a. 2a gets cancelled. Therefore, x equals negative b positive b square minus 4ac over 2ac. Yes.
that's good. How? You know how the formula comes? It is formula, the most popular formula in algebra, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4a by 2a, right? And one more reason, there is one more reason to mention strictly that a should not be 0. Okay, do you remember in the beginning of this discussion, this explanation, we mentioned, or we stressed on the point a not equal to 0. Okay,
So when we put
zero
a
is very
equals
important.
0, won't the
What's one
equation be
reason for a should not be 0?
that the x square value will be disappeared?
Yeah, this term will disappear. If a is equal to 0, this term will disappear because something into 0 into x square 0. And one more reason, if a is equal to 0, then a should be the denominator.
Yes.
Do you know what happens? Do you know what happens when a is in denominator?
Yes.
Something by 0.
Will be undefined.
Possible. Something by 0, it's not possible. Do you one surprising thing? Yeah, believe or not, in 1997, Virginia, you know Virginia, where is Virginia?
I think so, sir. I'm
Sure,
not.
yeah?
Sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir. Virginia. I know Virginia.
Like Kakinada?
I think.
Is it like Kakinada? Maybe.
I don't know, sir. I
Yeah,
don't think so.
there is one surprising thing happened in 1997, September 21st. In Virginia, the greatest warship was stuck in the seashore of Virginia. It has 80,000 horsepower. Even missile cannot do to that warship. It is the strongest warship. It was stuck in 1997, September 21 in Virginia coast. What is the enemy for that incident? It's not the enemy country. It's not terrorist, not like that. But the enemy for this incident was 0. 0 stopped that warship. It really happened. Actually, it was designed so that even missile cannot harm that warship. Nothing on the earth can harm that warship, but 0 harmed that warship. Because software engineers ignored the concept something cannot be divided by 0. Software engineers, while writing program, they ignored the concept something by 0 is undefined. It cannot be, it is not possible to divide by 0. They wrote a software program and feed it to that warship. At particular time, the computer of that warship, okay, happened to divide something by 0. Immediately, the software and that entire mechanism collapsed because it doesn't know how to divide by 0. Immediately, the software, something technical glitch happened, and it didn't move a while. It stopped there. Engineers took a couple of days to rectify the problem, to reinstall the software, and they took care that something is not divided by 0. Divide by 0 is not possible. He separated. He took off that point in that software. So it's the same mistake if we didn't write this point here. Yeah, and all the newspapers in the world wrote surprisingly, 0 stopped warship. Yeah, 0 has that much power. And one more thing, the main difference between Hindu Arabic numbers, that means Indian number system and other number system, is 0 only. Do you know Roman number system?
Yes, sir.
These are called Roman numbers: 1,
1,
2, 5, 10. These are a Roman number system. Okay. Have you noticed that Roman number system is doesn't contain zero? There is no zero in Roman number system. Likewise, no other number system in India, in the world, except Indian number system, contains zero. That's the main difference between Indian number system. That's why all other number systems are collapsed.
Yes.
Yeah. I explained, I gave these points on the occasion of mathematics day. Same concept appear here. That's the power of zero. That's the power of Indian number system. That's the power of India, Indian mathematics. Only all the countries use Indian mathematics only.
Yes.
That means Indian number system. Yeah. But recently one argument arises, that is Dr. Sorry, G.R. Kaye. G.R. Kaye. His name is G.R. Kaye. Arise a question that Indian number system is not from India. That is actual name is Hindu Arabic number system. He wrote a book with the title The Indian Numbers. In that book, he strongly opposes the most popular and widely accepted point: Indian number system is originated in India, invented by Indians. But he opposes that point, and he also worked as a civil servant in India while Britishism. And his point is that Indian, someone asks, its name is Hindu Arabic number system. Why you oppose that point? Hindu Arabic system. Okay. He made a comedy by giving his explanation that Hindu of Arabic number system, their Hindu doesn't mean country or a religion. Hindu means number in Arab. That's why Arabs used that word to their number system, Arabic number system. Okay, it was very funny, and that point has no power. It is a weak point. Okay, see now, at last we find was equation. Solution for that equation. See, if a not equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. If you have time, you can create not a short. It takes more than 1 minute. How? With the title, how? Or whatever is your choice.
Yes.
How the solution for quadratic equation comes. Can make a video.
Yes, sir.
With US style.
Yes, sir.
See, at last we found equation that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. See, what is the significance of plus or minus there? Plus gives one solution and minus gives another solution. For example, if you take a quadratic equation x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0, the solution for that equation is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. How many solutions are there?
2, sir.
Solutions.
2, sir.
It has 2 solutions. That's why plus or minus is there. If you take plus, we get one solution. If you take minus, we get another solution. Got it? Yes. So if we write those 2 solutions separately and name them as alpha and beta, if alpha and beta are the solutions of this QE. What is QE?
Quadratic equations.
Yeah. Then what is alpha? Minus b. Yeah, negative b plus
B
root
square
of b square minus 4ac
by 2a.
yeah, got it. And what is beta?
Negative b negative root b square minus 4ac whole by 2a.
And beta is equal, yeah, negative b
Negative root
b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are two roots, okay. Now let us see what happens if we add these two roots, alpha plus beta. That means sum of the roots. What happens when we add these two roots? See, can we add directly? 2a, LCM same.
Yes, sir.
So we can write directly by 2a. What's the numerator of alpha? Minus b plus the square root of
B square minus
minus
4ac
4ac. Very good. Plus b minus root of b square minus 4ac. What happens now? Plus root b square 4ac minus root b square 4ac get cancelled.
Yes.
Then we left with
negative b negative 2b
negative 2b by 2a.
But,
even now 2 to get cancelled.
Yes.
And finally we left with final answer
Negative b over a.
Negative b over a. That is formula to find the sum of the roots. Can we apply here? See, what is a here? In this equation, what is a? 1.
1.
What is b?
Negative 7.
What is c?
12.
What is the negative b over a? Negative b over a. Negative b means what?
Negative times negative 7.
By?
Over
1. That is 7 by 1. That is 7.
Yes. 7.
What happens when we add these two numbers?
7.
7 only. Got it? So
Yes.
formula to find the sum of the roots is negative b by a. Now let's see what happens when we multiply them. That is the product of the two roots, alpha times beta. We are multiplying these two values, right? And the denominator is 2a times 2a. You know what is 2a times 2a?
4a square.
4a square, right? Now the numerator is minus b plus root of b students 4ac minus b minus root of b students 4ac. You know, it is, there is a formula that is a plus b times a minus b. What is formula for a plus b times a minus b?
A square minus b square.
Yeah, very good. It is a square minus b square. What is a here?
Negative b.
What is a here? Minus b. Yeah. What is b here? See, alpha, beta. A square minus b square, you know. A means what? Minus b.
Yes.
A means minus b whole square.
Yes. Times minus
b square means
minus
of
b square
minus 4ac whole square, right?
Yes.
Now minus b whole square is nothing but b square only. Now this
yes.
root and square get cancels. The value
so
is
negative b square.
Negative times of b square minus 4ac by 4a square.
Yes, sir. By 4a square.
See, b square, when we open the bracket, sides will be multiplied. Minus times plus is minus b square.
B square plus.
Minus times minus is plus 4ac.
By 4a square.
4a square, right. Now, minus b square plus b square cancels. 4ac by
4a square.
4a square means 4aa.
Yes, sir.
4 a cancel. The answer is c by a. So the formula for product of the roots is c by a.
C over a.
While formula for sum of the roots is negative b over a, right?
Yes, sir.
See, what is c by he? What is c here?
12.
12. A means
1.
12 over 1 means 12 only, right?
Yes.
What happens when we multiply these two numbers?
12.
12. Same 12.
Yes.
So these are very important points to remember. Sum of the roots formula is negative b over a. Product of the roots formula is
C
negative
over A.
c over a. Okay.
Yes.
Now, let us see what happens now. Let us do one experiment that is about consider x square negative of negative b by ax plus c by a. Okay, let us see what happens now. LCM is, what is LCM?
Yes,
A.
sir.
Here it is ax square. Negative times negative, positive. Bx plus c is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
What happens when we multiply both sides by a? We are multiplying both sides by a into a times a. Okay. A get cancels.
It gets cancelled.
We left with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Got it? What happens
Yes.
now? We get the
X
same
squared
equation.
bx plus c equals it. We get the actual equations.
Okay. Now let us convert this. X square minus, what is minus b by a? Minus b by a is formula for
Bx. Oh, the alpha plus beta.
alpha plus beta. C by a,
Multiplications are alpha times beta.
alpha times beta, right? See, use that point here. We use a minus b by a there, right?
Yes.
X square
Minus
yeah, minus.
alpha plus beta
Very good. X square minus of alpha plus beta x plus c by a
plus
means
alpha beta.
alpha beta. So this equation is used to find the equation. Sometimes equation is given and asked for solution. Sometimes solutions are given and asked for equation. Whenever we are asked to find that equation, this is the formula. If roots are given and asked for equation, we use this formula. X square minus of alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. For
Yes.
example, can you tell the equation whose roots are 3 and 4?
X squared minus 7x
The
plus
equation
12.
whose roots are 3 and 4. Yeah, tell it. X square
X
minus,
squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0.
see there?
Yes.
How to find the equation when roots are given? X square minus of sum of the roots times x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Got it?
Yes.
These are very important formula. The formula to find the equation. To find the equation, the formula is x square minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. To find the roots, minus b plus or minus the square root of b square 4ac over 2a.
Yes.
Sum of the roots is negative b over a. Product of the roots is c over a. Got it?
No. Yes.
Now, let's come to the question. I calculated a little bit difficult questions so that you will be strengthened in this concept. Yes, you can do it.
If alpha comma beta are the roots of x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then the value of alpha over beta minus beta over alpha whole square is.
Yeah. Before that, let's have a small drill. You know what is alpha plus beta?
Yes, sir.
What is
Negative.
alpha plus beta?
Negative b over a.
Negative b over a, right? What is alpha beta?
C over a.
Very good. Let us squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. A square
Negative alpha square plus beta square
plus 2 alpha
equals.
beta. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Is equal to b square by a square.
Yes.
Okay. Now, alpha square plus beta
Plus
square
beta
Okay.
plus
2ab, sorry, plus 2 alpha beta. We are subtracting this 4 alpha beta on both sides. We are subtracting 4 alpha beta on both sides. What happens for left hand side? Alpha square plus beta square. 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta is
minus 2
minus 2 alpha beta. Right hand side is minus b square
negative.
by a square minus 4 alpha beta. You know what is alpha beta?
Yes, sir. C over A.
What is LCM for right hand side?
A, sir. A square, sorry.
Minus b square. Can you
Minus
see? Minus
4
4ac.
AC.
Minus b square minus 4ac. See. It is plus b square. Whenever good square is something plus right. Got it? B square minus 4ac, right?
Yes.
Minus b whole square is plus b square only, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, do you remember formula? Alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta? A square, A minus b whole square, right? Very good.
A.
Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac by a square, right?
Yes.
What is alpha minus beta? Can you say? The square root of
Square root of B plus or
b
minus
square
square root
minus
of
4ac
4AC over A square.
power a. That is mod a. It is customary to write mod whenever square root of something square. See, I will explain about it. The square root of x square is equal to mod x. The square root of x square is equal to mod x.
Yes.
That's why the square root of a square is mod a. And we write alpha minus beta because sometimes alpha is bigger number, beta is a smaller number. Sometimes beta is bigger number, alpha is smaller number.
Yes.
So sum of the roots formula. What is formula for sum of the roots? Negative b over a. Sum of the roots formula negative b over a. Difference of the roots formula plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac
is a mod A over
by
mod A.
Got it? This is also a formula. This formula is used for difference of the roots. Here, why do we use mod? The reason behind using mod here. Why do we use mod? That means if alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 7, what is alpha minus beta? 3 minus 7 minus 4 is alpha minus beta, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why if what happens if we write mod for minus 4?
It's
It
4,
becomes
sir.
plus 4. That's why for difference we use modulus. Okay. So do remember that point. The difference of the roots formula plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac by mod a, right?
Yes.
Now let's come to the point. May I rub this part? May I rub this part?
Yes.
See, now the question is, what is alpha by beta, alpha over beta minus beta over alpha whole square, right? Now let us simplify this. What is LCM in the bracket? Alpha beta, of course, beta alpha, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, when we do cross multiplication, you know this? Alpha square
Yes. Yes. Alpha
minus
square minus beta square.
and a whole square is there.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to see that point, okay?
Yes.
Do you know a square minus b square formula? Alpha square minus b square means?
Alpha plus B times
Yeah, very good. Alpha plus beta times
beta times
alpha
alpha
minus
minus beta.
by alpha beta
Alpha beta.
whole square. If you remember, use the points there and continue this step. Continue the solution. What is alpha beta?
Alpha beta is C over S. So
No. Alpha. Yeah. Very good. Go ahead.
sorry. So will it reciprocal and go for times? Or do I have to substitute this with?
Alpha plus beta formula, do you remember?
So I
Minus
remember
b by
alpha.
a. But we are squaring, so we need to write minus b square by a square.
So I don't know.
Just write b square in the numerator. A square can be written in the denominator. B square.
B square.
Yeah. And do you remember just now we have found formula for alpha minus beta?
Is it b square plus
Yeah. We just cancel the root and write the remaining part.
b square minus 4.
Yeah, bracket off. We are writing alpha minus beta whole square only, but alpha plus beta is there before that. For alpha plus beta, yeah, let me help you by writing one point. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a whole square. Got it?
Oh, yes, I got it.
And for this, plus or minus the square root of?
Plus minus of b square minus 4ac by mod a.
Mod a whole square. Okay, now, right. B square by is equal to b square by a square.
Equal to b square by a square. So, what's the next? Okay, sorry. So.
And the root square and plus or minus cancels.
Yes, so it will be b.
Yeah, got. Go ahead. B square minus 4ac.
B square minus 4ac.
Very good.
By a
square.
mod
4. Yeah, a square. That's it. That's it. Option.
So, but
sorry, something.
I missed this part, sir.
Just wait.
A times a c, no, sir.
Into a by c. Why into a by c?
So this denominator parts.
Yeah, square on both sides. A square by c square. Go ahead.
Oh.
Square is there for that also. Very good.
So it will be c square a to the power.
No need. A square get cancels. You can cancel a square.
Oh, yes. So it will be option 1, sir.
Very good. Option 1 is correct. Mark the option. Very good. Yeah, this is typical sum. Generally, difficult sums helps to strengthen our concept subject. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Just have a look at this question.
Let two numbers have arithmetic mean 9 and geometric mean 4. Then these numbers are the roots of the quadratic equation.
Do you have any idea how to solve them?
I don't know what's the arithmetic and geometric mean, sir.
Mean is just average.
Can we just take them as the roots, sir? 9 and 4?
Just wait. What is average of? What is the average of 2 and 8?
2 and 8.
In one test, you got 2 points. In another test, you got 8 points. What is average?
5, sir.
Yeah. How to find? That's it. How to find average?
The number by the 2, or how many numbers are present?
Just add them and divide by 2. That's it. 2 plus 8 is
2 10. Plus 8 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5.
That's it. So I'm telling, the average is nothing but arithmetic mean. Average is real life term, real life word, real life term, and mathematical term is arithmetic mean. See, what is formula for arithmetic mean? That is average of alpha and beta.
Alpha plus beta by 2.
Yeah, that's it. Arithmetic mean is shortly called as AM. AM of alpha and beta. Sorry, AM of alpha and beta. AM of alpha and beta. is equal to alpha plus beta by 2, right?
Yes.
And GM is geometric mean. You know, GM of 2 and 8 is 4. I will tell the reason. If we insert 4 between them, see one thing, EM of 2 and 8 is, what is EM of 2 and 8?
5,
As you
sir.
said,
5, sir.
one thing, your aunt's name is also Josna.
My what, sir?
Hrutik told when my mom watched that video, and Tanika told Josna, my mother thought it was her.
Oh,
Her name is also
oh,
Josna.
like my aunt's name's also Josna.
Yeah, her mother thought why she was saying my name.
Oh,
Yeah, then they realized that she has friend in India in Rajahmundry. The name Josna. Right.
apparently they didn't know about it.
Yeah, Hrutik told. Yeah. As you told, average of 2 and 8 is 4. Okay.
5, sir.
Sir, 5. What happens when we insert 5 between 2 and 8? And the difference between 2 and 5 is?
3, sir.
The difference between 8 and 5 is?
3, sir.
3 only. Then it is called arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. That means difference is same.
Yes.
That's why it is called AM. The reason behind calling it AM is it is arithmetic progression. Middle term of arithmetic progression is called AM of those remaining 2 terms. Here the difference is same.
Yes.
Now, if we insert 4 between these 2 numbers, 2, 4, 8, right?
Yes, sir.
2 times 2 is?
4, sir.
4 times 2 is?
8.
That is called geometric progression. Geometric means multiplying. And what is GM here? GM of 2 and 8 is 4. EM of 2 and 8 is
5, sir.
5. GM of 2 and 8 is 4. You know how it comes? The square root of 2 times 8. What is 2 times 8?
Root 16.
What is root 16? Take only positive.
4, sir.
4. That's why 2, 4, 8 makes 2, 4, 8 make geometric progression. See, GM of alpha and beta is the square root of alpha beta. Got it?
Times. Yes, sir.
You remember previously we derived one formula to find the equation. See, roots of equation, quadratic equation. Here, what is asked? Quadratic equation is asked.
Yes.
Recently, we found one equation to find the roots. That is x square minus alpha plus beta times x
times
plus alpha beta is equal to 0.
Equal 0.
This is the formula to find the equation. If the roots are given, we can find its equation. Formula to find equation is x square minus alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Got it?
Yes.
Now, try to solve this sum on your own, yourselves. What is given? First point, arithmetic mean is 9.
Yes.
That means alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 9. Write that statement. Alpha plus beta by 2 is equal.
Got it.
Yeah, you can write alpha plus beta by 2.
2 equals 9.
Okay.
Alpha plus beta equals 18.
Very good. Very good. The square root of alpha beta is equal.
Square root of alpha beta equals 4.
Very good.
Alpha beta equals 4 square, that equals 16.
That's good. Use that formula to find the equation.
X square. X square.
Go ahead.
Minus 18x plus 16 equals 0.
That's it. Since if it has another root, another equation, another equal to, Since the equation has another equal, just write, yeah, very good. That's good. Option?
Option 4.
That's good. That's good. Very good. At
Alpha
last, we are
is-
asked to find the equation whose roots are alpha by beta and beta by alpha. Please tell now, what is equation whose roots are alpha and beta? The equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Do you remember?
Oh, is it the actual original
Yes,
equation?
original formula. I'm asking you, what's the equation whose roots are lambda and mu? Equation whose roots are lambda and mu. X square minus of
Where lambda
plus
plus
mu
u
times x.
times x plus
Lambda
lambda u.
times mu is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
And think about the first value is alpha by beta. The second value is beta by alpha. Please
Yes.
tell the equation whose roots are alpha by beta and beta by alpha. The equation whose roots are alpha by beta and beta by alpha.
X square minus alpha
By beta x plus beta by alpha x, right?
by alpha x plus alpha by beta times
Alpha power beta and beta power alpha is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Alpha cancels, beta cancels. X square minus of LCM.
Beta alpha beta. Alpha square
plus
beta square x
plus 1 is equal to 0.
1 equals 0.
Now, x square minus of, what is alpha square given?
2a minus 3.
2 alpha.
Sorry,
2
2
alpha minus
alpha.
3. So we can write 2 alpha minus 3 in the place of alpha square.
Yes.
So 2 alpha minus 3. What is beta square?
Plus 2 beta minus 3.
Whole by just alpha beta.
Isn't it 2 alpha minus 3 over there?
No, just write alpha beta.
No, sir, over here in the equation. Here's.
Yeah. I think some information is missed. Let us see.
Sir, here it said -3. You wrote negative beta.
Oh, sorry. It is -3. I think some point is missed. Numbers are missed. See. 2 alpha, 2 beta. That means 2 times of alpha plus beta. Okay. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 6.
Yes.
By alpha beta.
Alpha beta times x plus 1 equals 0.
But there are numbers 2, 3, 3, 2 something are there. And we should know what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta. Okay. Then the equation whose roots are alpha by beta and alpha beta by alpha. Alpha plus beta. 2 times of alpha plus beta minus 3. If alpha not equal to beta, okay. X plus 1 is equal to plus 2 alpha. I think alpha beta is equal to 2. Then alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square is equal to 2 times of alpha plus beta minus 6. Okay. Yeah, let us do a calculation here. Alpha square beta square is there. Okay. Just let us do this experiment. What is alpha square plus beta square? 2 alpha minus 3.
2 alpha minus 3 plus 2 beta minus 3.
Alpha square plus beta square. 2 times of alpha plus beta, agree?
Yes.
Minus 6.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Now, alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, agree?
Yes.
minus 2 times of alpha plus beta plus 6 is equal to 0. No, I think some information is missed. Some data is missed, I think, in this question. I will show it. I will show. I am showing some information is missed. Some data is missed, I think, in this question. I will show it. See, same question.
Yes, sir.
Alpha beta, the equation whose roots are alpha by beta and beta by alpha. Alpha by beta, beta by alpha. Yeah. The roots whose equation are. Okay. Let's check it. See, we have check. Let's check it. I think okay. Yeah, why you repeated something? You are opened. You opened YouTube also.
No, sir.
Is it from my side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why? Okay. Let's check it. Where from that sound?
Sir, from your computer, maybe it's running in the background.
Okay. Is it stopped now?
I think so, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay. Let's do it. Yeah, you know how to solve this sum? Alpha plus beta minus 2, alpha cube plus beta cube minus 56.
Alpha cube plus beta cube, sir. How do we find the?
Yeah, there is a formula for it. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB times A plus B.
Minus
Similarly,
3.
alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube
Yes.
minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Got it?
Yes.
Now, what is alpha cube plus beta cube? It is given as minus 56.
Yes.
Minus 56 is equal to alpha plus beta is minus 2. That is minus 8.
Yes.
Minus 3 into alpha beta. We don't know the value of alpha beta. And alpha plus beta is again minus 2. What happens if we add plus 8 on both sides? Minus 8 plus 8
Minus 56.
plus 6 alpha beta. Minus 56 plus 8 minus 48 is equal to 6 alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to minus 8. Got it?
Yes.
So alpha plus beta minus 2, alpha beta minus 8. You can continue on the screen. What is formula to find the required equation?
X square
Minus write it.
X square minus alpha plus beta.
Yeah, you can continue. Write it.
x square minus of negative 2x
Plus,
wait, plus over
sorry,
here
minus 8. Go ahead, minus 8.
minus. So is it minus times minus?
Yeah, minus times minus plus only.
Yeah, 1 second, I forgot the equation. Okay, I'm wrong. So plus 8 equals 0. X square minus 2x plus 8 equals 0.
No. Why minus? Minus x square minus of alpha plus beta. Do you remember the formula?
So isn't it ax square plus bx plus c equals 0?
Okay, formula for it is x square minus of alpha plus beta. Minus of alpha plus beta.
Oh, yes. So it will be positive, sir.
Yeah.
So it's x square plus 2x minus 8.
Yes.
So it's option 4, sir.
Very good. Very good.
So we can find the answer for this after finding alpha plus beta, sir.
Yeah.
Because the constant is changed for every option.
Okay, that's right. Good. Yeah, okay. Can you try the sums as homework? Take
Yes, sir.
screenshot.
I'll try doing it. Yes, sir.
And this.
Are these easy, sir? Done, sir. Are these questions easy, sir?
It is just like first question.
Okay. Done, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Try them. We will discuss it tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
It is easiest sum.
Oh, yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, right. Okay. Shall we be tomorrow? Sharp 4:30 tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
That means tomorrow to me, evening to you.